In this video, we will discuss about herbivores. The animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. Their food depends only upon plants. जिनका खाना सिर्फ पौधों पे निर्भर करता है, ऐसे animals को हम बोलते हैं herbivores. Other than green plants, they don't eat anything. Herbivorous animals are goat, sheep, giraffe, elephant, deer, rhinoceros, etc. And herbivorous insects are grasshopper, butterfly, caterpillars, etc. These animals have evolved digestive systems capable of handling large amounts of plant material. Herbivores can be further classified into frugivorous, means fruit eaters, granivorous, seed eaters, nectivorous, nectar feeders, and folivorous, means leaf eaters. Today's objective was about herbivores.